Presenting the pinnacle of mobile luxury, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome. The aerodynamic, streamlined appearance and expansive panoramic windows of this floating castle create a powerful impact. Its foundation is the well-known Prevost chassis, which is well known for its durability, robustness, and incredibly smooth ride. A robust Volvo D13 engine and Allison transmission support that elegant design, offering the sort of dependability and performance you would anticipate from a car of this size. The integrated design of the Prevost platform, which ensures a comfortable ride, and the triple slide-out sections that expand the interior space at the touch of a button transform this coach into a very roomy living area when parked. A luxurious and user-friendly command center greets you as soon as you get inside the cockpit. Button and dial clutter is a thing of the past. The dashboard is a modern design wonder with its big, integrated touchscreen display and state-of-the-art digital instrument cluster at its center. This is the location of the advanced smart home management system, which gives you total control over the lighting, entertainment, security, and climate of the motorhome. Thanks to advanced safety features and high-resolution cameras that offer a 360-degree vision, the driving experience is both high-tech and stress-free. It is clear that the main living room is of bespoke quality. As soon as you walk in, you are surrounded by the finest handcrafted materials. From rich, custom wood cabinets to heated marble flooring and opulent, designer seats draped in magnificent leather. The layout is light and inviting, with a large sitting area perfect for entertaining or simply relaxing. Its massive OLED smart TV and high-end audio system are both skillfully integrated into the design. By altering the fiber optic ceiling lighting to suit each event's needs, the space can be turned from a cozy retreat to a vibrant social hub. The Master Suite is a private retreat designed for maximum relaxation. The main attraction is a king-sized bed with a luxurious mattress, surrounded by lovely cabinetry and lights. There are several closets and storage areas to provide a clutter-free environment. A second smart TV is positioned perfectly for late-night viewing, and soundproofing ensures that you are never awakened by outside noise. This tranquil retreat, which is more than just a bedroom, is a great place to unwind and recover after a long day of travel. The bathroom is as calm and opulent as the spa of a five-star hotel. A full-sized shower with a glass enclosure and a rainfall showerhead offers a revitalizing experience. The space is finished with elegant fixtures, a designer sink, and gorgeous marble or tile floors. Enough lighting and innovative storage solutions keep the space neat and pristine. Some versions also come with a bathroom and a half layout, which adds even more privacy and convenience for you and your visitors. This is not just a kitchen, it's a gourmet culinary workspace on wheels. The kitchen is equipped with residential-grade appliances that are appropriate for a high-end home. A full-size refrigerator and freezer are included, along with a convection oven and built-in induction cooktop. The counters are made of gorgeous, durable quartz or other premium solid surfaces, and the custom cabinetry provides an incredible amount of storage room for all of your supplies and cookware. You can quickly prepare everything from a quick snack to a 5-course supper in this space designed for serious cooking.